Bollywood actresses who have great figures. Deepika Padukone. Bollywood's leggy lass Deepika Padukone has a great figure and she gracefully flaunts it every time. Priyanka Chopra. The global icon has an hourglass figure. Because of her amazing figure, she looked amazing in Ram Leela song. Katrina Kaif. She's an awesome dancer and being a fitness freak, she maintains a great figure too. Nora Fatehi. This dancing queen of Bollywood, Nora has very sensuous figure and she has won millions of hearts with her great moves. Disha Patani. Well, her Instagram handle is a proof that how amazing figure does this young actress has. Anushka Sharma. This actress has an amazing figure and never gets fat. Even during pregnancy, she did not gain much weight. Malaika Arora. One of the hottest mothers in town, Malaika's age is difficult to guess looking at her hot and bold figure. Kriti Senon. One of the tallest actresses of B-Town, Kriti has a perfect figure and looks beautiful in whatever she wears. Shilpa Shetty. Even after being a mother of two, Shilpa maintains perfect slim figure with zero fat. She is a fitness freak. Aishwarya Rai Bachchan. Even at this age, Aishwarya has been maintaining an awesome figure and she looks ravishing always. Isha Gupta. Known as the doppelganger of Angelina Jolie, Isha has been very bold figure and looks smoky hot always. Bipasha Basu. Dusky beauty Bipasha has a perfect bikini body and she flaunts it amazingly in her movies. Jacqueline Fernandez. Bubbly actress Jacqueline is fitness oriented and always maintain her amazing figure. Amy Jackson. She's a mother now, still looks like a girl next door for her amazing figure. Lisa Hayton. Model turned actress Lisa has toned figure and she's definitely one of the hottest mothers in B-Town. Who is your favorite actress among these? Let us know in the comment section and subscribe our channel for more updates from Bollywood.